Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? It is Monday, the 2nd of May. Oh my god, it's May already. Of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. Yeah, today is auto update day, so we'll be taking a look at that. And yeah, also we'll be, I don't know, I want to work on the chat overlay, this thing, because currently we're using Streamlabs and it sucks, and I think we can do better. So we will maybe be taking a look at that. But yeah, that's the plan for today. But let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we can jump into things. Let's see, Lambs. You were almost. I was a little bit late to start. If I would have started on time, you probably would have been first. But I goofed. My bad. You were here before the stream started. Arc Like Slavic was actually first, though. Congratulations, John Envy1. Good to see you again, and thank you for the resub with Prime at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you as always. Appreciate your continued support. We've also got JJMC who is here. Corinne PL, good to see you again. Urbanized Squid. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Venike and me, how's it going? Mahamdi is also here. J-Man is here. Ollie is here. Pancrates? Pancrates? I don't know. Either way. Welcome, welcome. Looking sharp. Thank you, thank you. Indie Monkey, how you doing? You look like Wall Street. What does that mean?
Finally.
Noob 404. With the resub, it's 16 months. That would actually be... Oh, I guess you have completed OXF months. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It would be OX10 is 16 though. But thank you for the resub. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again. I feel like it's been a while. So welcome back. Good to see you. Sorry, let me just mark everything as red in my stream dashboard. Okay, cool. What's the suit for? I just came from my grandmother's funeral. The second funeral. So we're done. We are done with the funerals. It has been a long week and a half. Yeah, it has been a long week and a half. But we are through with the formalities, and so now everyone is to mourn on their own. But yeah, we truly have Mr. Anthony Writes Code. Yeah, it's true. Chat, please thank me for suggesting this suit. I mean, I was already wearing it, so I was like, well, this is easier than having to take something off, so fuck it. Yeah, the server. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Yeah, it went all right. It went all right. Your home is also here. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. How many channel points do you have? Because you spend like 100 to stream just to say hello. I guess you probably get a couple hundred to stream too, but good to see you again. Congrats on whatever the reason you're wearing the suit. Congrats on your grandmother dying. No, I don't expect you to know the context, so that's a completely acceptable thing to say. Dean Alspis here, and they just wanted more buttons to be able to unbutton today. I don't know that we're gonna unbutton any buttons today, but actually, I mean, unless you count the like tie buttons, there's only one extra button, which is the top one up here. But yeah, sorry for your loss, Mr. Presley. Awesome thought. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. The suit is beautiful. It's not perfect though. I guess I can kind of show you. The full view. The standing, I guess. Yeah, I need to get it slightly tailored because it's designed for somebody who has a bit more girth than I do. But no, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Admittedly, I'm very happy with it given that I got it on short notice because I went to put on my previous suit, which I had not worn in years, and it was designed for a little bit smaller version of me. So I went to a tailor and
Professor
Yeah,
writes code.
not this. They were able to do the cuffs and the pants lengths, but they didn't have time to do a slimming is a little bit more time than typical tailoring. So, but they're like, it's free to get it tailored, so come back whenever. Those are some nice dress shoes. Yeah. Rollers, hello, good to see you again. 62k, my god, you've got a lot of channel points there. Geist, hello, corporate streamer, yeah. I am the best dressed streamer on Twitch right now, probably, maybe, probably not. There's probably somebody wearing something more fancy than me. Loosen the tie and unbutton the shirt. I mean, but then you lose the you lose the what is it called? I don't know. Word's gone. Anyway. Do you have cufflinks or buttons in the sleeves? I guess technically there are buttons. Oops, sorry, I bumped the mic. There is a button on the sleeve in here, but these buttons are fake buttons. They don't do anything. They're just for show. Mr. Anthony writes code. Mr. Anthony composes code. Mr. Anthony inscribes code. Yes. AWC 2024. I don't think I'm old enough to run for president. I also don't think I would want to, but yeah. Hope you wore the shoes earlier as well. Yeah, I wear actual shoes, but now that I'm in the house, I can wear flirps and get away with it. Are wing pants? Yeah, you just saw them. Does not compute. Also, welcome back. Good to see you. Yes, Marjma, I'm here after the funeral. Thank you for your kind words. Appreciate it. Makes you wonder though, what kind of developers wears a suit at work? None of them, Drupa. I don't know that anyone. It's been a long time. I don't think anyone does that anymore. But psychopaths, yeah, there you go. Ballad Office, hello. Good to see you. What brand is the suit? I have no idea. It is. I know it's an Italian suit, and that's all I really know. But yeah. Connie Guy says I used to have to wear a tie every day except Friday for my last job. Oh, weird.
Who is getting married or who died?
Jay Carey, thank you for the resub. My grandmother passed away, so I just came from a funeral. So you're not wrong. It is unfortunate how it is either one or the other, but yeah. Poor Marsha missing the feet action in stream today. It's true. I mean, I don't know. I don't think Marsha gets anything out of socked feet. I think it's really only the feetsies, but yeah. Anyway. Then they relaxed the dress code after COVID and people refused to go back. Yeah, that seems fair. My first job, I dressed up every day but didn't need to. I guess my first 2 jobs. I was just like, you know what? I have nice clothes. Why not fucking wear them? Of course, people thought I was weird, but oh, I wonder, hold on. I wonder what I look like with my fake glasses on too. I could pull it off. I could pull that off. Yeah, this could be this could be a look. Plus 50 IQ, yeah, right. Nico wears a suit for 3 occasions: wedding, funeral, and to court. God, I hope I don't have to go to court. But I have like 50 ties in my closet and I haven't worn for 3 years now. Wow, a lot of ties. I think I only have like 10 or 15. I actually got this one new. I was like, you know what? I deserve a new tie. I kind of like this one. Got a neat little pattern on it. I don't know. I feel like it's good. Gotta wear this when you're at the center office. Yeah, that's actually kind of funny in the server. Someone else made the same joke because I was like, well, I gotta go pick up my suit at the, or I gotta go to the tailor. I was ambiguous. And tailor, I guess, has multiple meanings. Someone's like, oh, you're getting a haircut? I was like, nope, I did that last week. I'm picking up a suit. And they're like, oh, well, you gotta wear it to the office if you ever visit. I was like, oh, okay. I guess I can. Whose man is this? No one's man's. I am my own man's moment. Yeah. Yeah. You look so enterprise. Does mean this is a Java stream. You got a used joke, yeah. At the glasses, I'm thinking Stark Industries. Yeah. I'm not Tony Stark. I'm Tony Sottile. Nicholas, hello, welcome back. Good to see you, man. Let's see. We do have one announcement for stream today. Look at that in a little bit. And that is on Saturday. We are going to be doing a collaboration stream again with Citrusine. This time it'll be 6 Pacific, 9 Eastern, so an hour earlier than last time. We're going to be playing It Takes Two with Citrusine, so that'll be fun. If you missed the previous one, it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. And we'll be doing it again. And yeah, we'll be onesied up, so if you want to stop by for another onesies stream, that'll be happening. Go to the bar after this, yeah. Yeah. I don't know that I'm just gonna go to the bar. Anyway, I guess we can jump into actual stream stuff now. Oh, I wonder what Hackerman. Hackerman doesn't really work in a suit though, does it? No, it doesn't work. I don't do that. Okay, anyway, so let's take a look at what we've done since last time. Oh, also we streamed, yes. Was it really just yesterday? No, it was 2 days ago. We played Minecraft with Shoddy on Saturday, which was fun. Did you find your Umbreon tail? So I was looking up the context of this is Marsha was like, you should add an Umbreon, you should add a tail waggy emote. Like, oh, I could do that. And so I was searching Umbreon tail to like make a tail waggling emote. And Google image search Umbreon space tail gives you some questionable results. Whether it's between like Umbreon butt plugs or weird Pokemon hentai, like there's some weird shit in there that I was not ready for. I should have just searched Umbreon and there would clearly be a tail in some of the photos, but oh boy, I was not ready for what I clicked into. Hey, what's up, Oramus? Hello. Is it in a suit? More pen tester man? Yeah, than hacker man. True. Yeah, it would be like FBI open up kind of deal. Somebody says, I got an offer today to work in Amsterdam. Is 45k good for someone with 3 years of experience? That seems really low, but I also don't know if that's in euros or in USD. Even in euro, I feel like that's kind of low. €1 in USD. Oh, they're like even right now. Yeah, that's very low. From what I know. But I don't know. I don't know EU, but in the US that would be like 1/3 of what an entry level software position would be. But I would encourage you to check out levels.fyi, which is what I usually recommend. This is admittedly US centric, but it'll give you a better idea of your worth. There are some remote, I say remote, there are some international salaries on there as well. But yeah, anyway. Get your Xbox on Friday. Cool. Coder, hello. Good to see you again. Ruben says, you gotta wait until you face a tough problem before you take the jacket off. Right? Yeah, oh, it's getting tough in here, so we gotta strip down. Yeah, all right. For Umbreon, yeah. I don't watch Pokemon. No, I do not watch hentai. Andrew Costa, hello, welcome back. Franchise went down $2 per half year. Nice. Did you join the FBI? No, I did not. Space for a lot of subs today, right? The USD Euro graph is a nightmare. Gonna pay 1/3 more when I'm on vacation in the US. I don't. Oh, in fact, it just dipped. Does this mean the dollar got stronger, or does this mean the euro got weaker? Oh, it's been not doing so well this year. Or really anytime since last mid-year. I don't know anything about currency conversion. The euro got nerfed, yeah. Damn, just me then, I guess. Oh. Hey, what's up, Tofufu? Hello, hello. I got confused because there's a lot of green names in chat today. I was confusing Tofufu, Wholesome Thought, Marsma, J-Man. I guess it's just you. Okay. Just when there was more. I guess it does not compute, but they're a different green. Okay, anyway. Something's new happening? I don't know. No idea. We're the green cult. Yeah, watch everyone just change their name to green. It was pink before. Everyone changed their name to pink, and it was very confusing. Anyway, let's talk about stuff that I did since last time. I don't think auto-update is done yet because I have not seen my own repos, but mypy is bumping today and reorder Python imports. So we're gonna see a lot of repos, and I don't know. We'll probably have something to fix because I'm sure there's some questionable typing thing or some mypy regression because that's what usually happens during these. Is this ever gonna go anywhere? No? The one maintainer just like oh, they just to turn it off by default? I think that's the right answer. Oh, this is some weird ass formatting. They must not be using any linters. Oh, weird. Weird. Anyway, sorry. Got distracted. That's not new. That's old. Oh no, Detail Sphere green now too. Oh, John NV1 is also green. Ah. Struggle to understand what that means as well. Merchants must have more buying power in Europe. Yeah, I think it's mostly just how that works. Chat is basically a blue-green display. You are all blue or green except for Kodu. Kodu's red. But oh man. How you doing, Force Penguin? Good to see you again. See, like hugging friends? It's just so gross. Okay, I've done a few things since last time. This one admittedly wasn't me. We did that. This one wasn't me, but I hate when people do this. So, Anish made a PR from lists repos, and for whatever reason, unchecked the little box which lets me good code change like a ghost. So I couldn't fix their branch, which was annoying. Yeah. So I had to close their PR and then reopen my good code change like a ghost version of this branch. But yeah, basically allows this import to be rewritten as this import, which fixes a slight edge case in 6, which like I don't know why they're still doing, because I had to import it off Python 3 when I was there. So I don't know what this is about, unless they've randomly found some new Python 2 code, or they wrote new Python 2 code. God, I hope. Certainly a possibility, but anyway, had to rebase their PR and commit it as my own. Just let me fix it. Shout out to Red Name Gang. Yeah, there you go, Artemis. Or Hot Pink, as Andrew Costa. Oh, you changed your color. You were blue before. Anyway, right. Upgraded. I'm gonna sit down. I've been standing too long today. Yeah, wrote new Python 2 code? God, yeah, I hope not, for their sake. Anthony leaves lift, a wild Python 2 codebase appears? Yeah. Well, as Anthony starts the Python 3 migration, a wild Python 2.6 codebase appears. Although we have all... I've told that story before, so I don't need to rehash that, but that was a spicy story. Okay, so Oniguruma, the regex library that is wrapped by Oniguruma CFI, bumped to 6.9.8, which had some security fixes and some new features, but I don't care about the features, I just care about the security fixes. So I upgraded the version bundled here, which meant that I had to make a new release. So I went that and made release 120. And then I had to build everything. And the build had like slightly rotted since last time. So I took the time to rewrite this ManyLinux build script. Two things changed. This image is no longer updated, which means the like one reason that I was part of the mypy org is now archived. What? Is this markdown and they fucked it up? No, it's RST and GitHub doesn't render it properly. Nice. Unless they wrote the RST wrong. Yeah, they just wrote the RST wrong. Oh, wait. Is this how RST is supposed to work? Is this supposed to line up with this? That one works. mypy. Yeah, what the fuck? Why does this link work, but this one doesn't? GitHub! Bullshit is this? Anyway. Maybe it's because it's a separate section? I don't know. I don't know how RST works. Not very well is the correct answer, I guess. But anyway. That's dead now, so I moved it over to the ManyLinux 2010 to ManyLinux 1. ManyLinux 1 doesn't ship with mypy, because mypy was first spec'd in 2010. Well, spec'd against the 2010 standard. So I was able to get rid of all this conditional here and do all the pythons in a loop. Oh, does that get rid of the... Yeah. This builds all the pypys at once, which is kind of nice. In before points to toggle the desk. Yeah, right. We're all in a color identity crisis. DNLs, yeah, it is messing with my head a little bit. Plur, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The other server, he was all that was standing between them and 100% by then too. Kind of true. CWM Emeritus, hello, welcome. I am suited up today. Are you going on a date? No, I came from a funeral, which is kind of the opposite of a date. Oof. Fireable Monkey, hello, welcome. Tips hat, yeah, milady. S1 Cube, hello. I guess because it's a link inside of a heading, but it wasn't a heading. It was a bold, not a heading. Right? Yeah, it's not a heading. It should have worked, I think. I don't know. RST is stupid. I hate RST. Corn Nigel, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Off to sleep. Happy stream. Well, thank you for stopping by, Noob44. Good to see you. Alphenrod, welcome back. Hello. Pink suit. How's it going, girl? How's it going? But yeah, thank you for the kind words. I appreciate it. RST is just weird. Yeah, RST sucks. All my homies hate RST. Well, maybe not all of them. But they should. They shouldn't hate RST. Oh, I'm losing my voice. That sucks. Maybe this won't be a long stream. Are you wearing pants? I am wearing pants. Ooh, I got suit pants.
Oh my god, it's a year AWC
S1
Bongo to
Cube.
Dance AWC Bongo.
With the 12-month resub, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. It has been a whole year. A whole goddamn year. Hopefully you're doing well. Why you're all dressed up today? I just came from a funeral. Yeah. I'm gonna have to explain this over and over, aren't I? How do I get away from explaining this over and over? I'll just explain it over and over. It's fine. My programmer brain is like, how can I optimize this? How can I stop repeating this? But that'll be fine. Yeah. Anyway, so built this using ManyLinux 2010, which ups the minimum version of this, but the minimum version of pip or the minimum version of Linux and the minimum version of pip that needs this are 11, 12 years old now? Yeah. So I don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. Although I've already seen a couple people be like, why can't I install Mini Linux 2010? And it's like, they're running Ubuntu 14.04 and having a bunch of shit. And a suit commands. All right, we're gonna do a clip. We're gonna do a clip. Somebody clip this. You ready to clip this? All right, suit command. I'm wearing a suit today. Yes, indeed. Dressed up, the snazziest streamer on Twitch, because I just came from my grandmother's funeral. Yeah, so that's why. All right, clip that. I'll make a clip. I'll make a command. Evan Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I also codes sometimes. But anyway, yeah, 2010 upgraded that. This is originally a patch which we will probably roll out later today once auto update is done. By Lawrence, who bumped a version of R for us. Lawrence was also the one who contributed R support to pre-commit. So, yeah, helpfully bumped to version 420. Apparently this one was pretty old, so appreciate them upgrading that. And then I finished the upgrade by actually, well, running the build and then doing that. Okay, cool, perfect. We'll add suit commands. Workspace, bot plugin simple. Dun, 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 dun. And I will not commit it because we will. Well, we might have to do that later. Yes, I am wearing a suit. There we go. I'm not gonna review it. Did you troll me? Did you troll me, Crow? I'm trusting you, buddy. If you're fucking me. All right, suit command. I'm wearing a suit today. Yes, indeed. Dressed up, the snazziest streamer on Twitch, because I just came from my grandmother's funeral. Okay. All right. Yeah, it was fine. It was fine. It was fine. You didn't need to get banned. JBs! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, fuck. The music is... Oh, no. This VOD's gonna get demonetized on YouTube. No. Shit. I forgot to fix my audio channels. Damn. Well, I guess sucks to suck for me then. So I split my audio channels when I upload to YouTube. So the music that I play in the background on my streams doesn't show up on YouTube because they, despite it being copyright free, they sample copyrighted material, and so YouTube Content ID flags it. But it's my second channel, it's whatever. I'm not even monetized yet, so I need 500 more subs on my second channel for it to matter. Alex McCon, thank you for the resub with Prime at 15 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. I appreciate your continued support. The other source says, I've been building PNG map tiles for the past days. I didn't know it took so many resources. Half a terabyte of RAM and 64 cores. Already a couple of days running. Holy shit. What for? That seems nuts. That seems nuts. Polorsitu. And Tyler R. Davis, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, that reminds me. That will have just barely put us over. Well, now it's a bit more over. We have passed 15,000 followers on Twitch. 15,000. Which is, I don't know, seems like a big number. Manhard, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate it. Nightcall XX, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Who is our 15,000? Let's see. Wait, are we at 15.5? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would make Core Nigel the 15,000th follower. Kinda nifty. Landjoy, hello, welcome, welcome. Like building OpenStreetMap just with a different image for different zoom levels. Oh. That sounds rough. Tyler R. Davis says my pre-commit hooks just caught a bunch of problems. I guess I have you to blame /thank. Indeed, indeed. Well, I'm glad you appreciate that. We are rocking the suit today. Yes, the suit command getting its use already. Perfect. Okay, I guess that was a good idea. It is paid off. Yeah. So anyway, bump to R basically just means I update the version here and the checksum, and I uploaded a pre-built binary here. Why though? Okay, I guess that's the thing. Isn't GG? Yeah, GG, good game. I mean, I think it is gone. I think it is transcended good game, and now it just in general gets used as like, GG. Good job, but that would be GJ. I don't know. I use GG all the time when it's get crap. Yeah, there you go. I don't know. I use it when not gaming as well. Yeah, so while also working on render image, I noticed another thing, which is I have repackaged 3.6, so now it has this new package. So I updated the build to also include that new package. Just from Dead Snakes fuckery. Oh, I should upgrade this to Jammy at some point, shouldn't I? Oh, what is gonna be a pain in the ass for Jammy? This will, but I'll show you why it won't be in a second. So I already did that. This will be fine. I'm gonna get rid of this because there's no 3.6. I might also get rid of Python 2. It's easier for me to keep it though, so maybe I won't. Go will be easy. Roost will be easy. Swift. What about Swift? They don't have a jammy build yet. Let's see, Swift jammy. Surely we will find something. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Google searching for jammy is gonna fucking suck. I didn't think about that. Maybe if we search jammy here? Which default document should depend on jammy? Oh, he's bionic? J Phils! Thank you for the resub at 19 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Transferred some Swift issues. There are Swift issues repository? Swift doc. Man, the docs weren't good enough, so we had to do docs with 2 C's. Presumably if I type Swift issues. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, I see what they did. They used this as a test bed. This is basically what they did with the GitHub or the CPython migration. But they used this as a bounce repo. That's why they all appear as coming from there. That makes sense. I understand. GG is well done, good job. Yeah, basically. Yeah. How does one test JSON files? What are you looking to test from them, Crow? GJ is actually a nickname for one of my cousins. Interesting. The game was the race to 15k followers. Yeah, there you go. Jared says, Tinny likes to use. I have a question. Is there something like VBand voice meter that allow me to share audio between a Linux and Windows desktop. No idea. I have no idea. They want to make some JSON files for some tables and to test it. Are they like import files? Or I don't know what do they want? What behavior do they want to validate? I guess would be the first question for their test. Interesting search results. Yeah. Yeah. J Phils is doing well. How goes it? It's going. It's going all right. Yeah. I mean, we're streaming. That's I guess the most I could ask. Seeing it more and more used as a good job or well done. Yeah. Yeah. And then if you want to be real cheeky, you just say GG no re. Which I think means like good game, no rematch. Like a disrespectful win. But like a not disrespectful one. I don't fucking know. Summersoft, hello. Thank you for the kind words. Appreciate it. Got out my thick docs. Yeah. Do not modify issues. Yeah. Gremlin Weekend says, do people generally feel that feature work sucks? Like being another bottom barrel code monkey. Code monkey, get up, get coffee. Code monkey, go to job. I don't know. I haven't done feature work in a long time. Code monkey, sit through boring meeting with boring manager Rob. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't done feature work in a long time, so couldn't be me. Lol. I would immediately modify an issue. Yeah, exactly. Hey, what's up, Wolf? Hello. I have no idea. We recently made new database tables, and the JSON is the metadata. Well, you could probably like validate the schema of them. That might be another idea. Lampel, hello. Welcome back. What is feature work? It's like where you build actual things that people use, rather than I don't know, infrastructure or tooling or developer productivity sort of stuff, which is my jam. That's where I like to hang out. Teller Davis says, I quite enjoy making code bugging. I can show up every day, follow directions on the ticket, get paid handsomely for it. I guess that's fair. What's your opinion on INI? INI is incredibly simple, which is nice, but it's also incredibly simple, which is not nice. And even though it's incredibly simple, there aren't any great round-trip parsers. INI suffers from a few things, one being that everything is a string. So if you want to do any sort of data type stuff, you have to do post-processing or parsing. Or the other problem with INI is the comments. There is no standardization on them, so there are two different common characters. There's semicolon or octothorpe, and there's technically in standard INI, there's no such thing as an inline comment. So you have to also remove comments from your parsed values, or you have to use a non-standard parser that might break other parsers. And then the other problem with INI is there are some substitution parsers which treat %s as a interpolation, and whether or not you have an interpolating parser, you end up with a whole bunch of issues there. So those three things, coupled with like 100 different implementations of generally not standardized parsers, makes INI a little bit of a shaky standing. And admittedly, a lot of that shaky standing is the reason for making things like TOML, or the reason for Tox having a separate config file, or PyTest having a separate config file. Because when PyTest and Tox used setup.cfg as a config file, setup tools uses an interpolating parser. So anytime you included a % in your PyTest config or your Tox config, it would break setup tools, which is just fucking annoying. So if you use a structured data with a standardized parser, then you don't have those types of problems. So that's kind of the idea behind INI. But I don't know. I think INI is fine. Good. It's good enough for simple things if you don't have to deal with multiple readers consuming the file. But yeah. I feel like the only lucky one where every ticket ends up being down a deep rabbit hole. Yeah. INI seems difficult to do anything too complex with. Yeah, which is kind of nice. Bad for anyone trying to do anything complex. Yeah, it's a nice guardrail. Where's was gonna head out? Well, thank you for stopping by. Mr. Metabytes, good to see you again. Hello. Welcome. Akatos is also here. How you doing? Thank you for the suit command in the server. Appreciate it. Do not modify issues. What are you? Oh, more auto update day. More auto update day. Yeah, so we're bumping mypy today. I don't know what's in the release. Maybe I'll read the release notes. GitHub has this bug today, which is great. Someone fucked up the CSS, as they do. This is only supposed to show if you click this button, but they obviously done fucking goofed as they do at the hub. Oh, this is weird too. I feel like this is not intentional. Did they just like 404 their CSS? What happened here? Oh, it's an optimizedly experiment? Oh, that's even worse. Oh, I guess no, I just block optimizedly. I don't know. I probably just bolstered it up. Anyway, pretty fun. Let's actually click the merge button. What repo is this? Yeah. Azure Pipelines was having trouble today as well. Yeah, like it. Well, this doesn't have any tests. It was not running in some of my repos. Dumb mypy, which I'm gonna propose that we use at Century. So I might be contributing to this at some point in the near future, which would be pretty cool. Doing well, laughing as I open Twitch, and it listed you under live channels we think you'll like. It's funny. The old hub goof, yeah. Dumb mypy, dumb it. How did you and Chris only create dumb repos? So, does this still exist? It does. It was like kind of our little meme. But also like my former coworker Buck, who spoke a lot to both me and Chris, had really drilled this thing into our heads that I think is really great advice, which is make software as bad as you can. Make it do the one thing really well, but do the minimum amount of work to get it there. Just build the features that you care about. And it'll force you into building an extremely simplistic tool that doesn't have a bunch of frills and complications and other stuff. You know, aim for stuff that's like, you know, static files, or, you know, not linking as many third-party dependencies as you need, or like does its one thing really well. And you know, these tools are, you know, really embody that. Like this is an init system. This is an init system that does the bare minimum to be an init system. It makes it really good for Docker containers. You know, it forwards signals and it waits on its children, and that's it. That's all you really need from an init system. Or if you look at dumb mypy, like this is, you know, a mypy, you know, a mypy generator that generates static files. You don't need any server. You just chuck it into S3, and it does the minimum necessary to be a mypy server. And I don't know, kind of embodied that mentality. But yeah, we made this while drinking at a company offsite. We're like, oh, we should make dumb core, and then fork a bunch of dumb repos into it. That we did for walls. But anyway, yeah. That is the idea behind that at least. I jumped into a startup right after graduation. There's no directions on the ticket given to me. Codebase is spaghetti, and I hate the Node.js ecosystem. I hate callbacks, the promises, and the lack of types of the passion. This is the norm. Yeah, it's kind of normal. But what you could do is push TypeScript. You could get out of the untyped sadness, at least get slightly more towards sanity. But yeah, Hakatos, yeah. Yep, it's pretty rough. Nude says, hello, Anthony. What do you think about PyScript? It's not anything. PyScript is a lot of marketing. It's not anything new. Pyodide's been around for a while. It doesn't really add anything on top of that. Other than, oh, you can use a script tag that says py in front of it. That's basically all they did. I mean, it's a cool little piece of tech, but it's not really new. I think the mscripton, the CPython mscripton stuff is a lot more interesting. But I don't know. I don't know why it got so much buzz. Like, I think it's because it happened to be named so nicely and people didn't know about Pyodide, which admittedly is a shitty name. But I don't know. It's not not really new. And it's not really earth-shattering, groundbreaking. It's just, you know, another JavaScript Python runtime that has been around for a while. What are you adding to Sentry? MyPy? They already are using MyPy. I think one of the first projects that I want to work on is making our developer bootstrap and Python installation stuff faster and more reliable. Right now we don't pin dependencies. I know, right? We don't pin dependencies. We don't install from wheels for everything. We build Python from source over and over and over. And we try and build for ARM over and over and over. So we're constantly building stuff from source, and developers, like, my developer bootstrap takes like 20 minutes right now on an M1 because there's like no wheels. And it just kind of sucks. So I want to set up a place to dump pre-built Python binaries, probably target the 3 platforms we care about, and set up a static PyPI mirror service thing for the wheels we care about, which actually isn't that many. There's surprisingly few dependencies that go to make Sentry work. And I think that'll make pretty significant developer impact. And it'll be a nice low-hanging fruit to demonstrate the success of the team, is my main goal there. But yeah. I didn't know Zac Efron is a developer. Oh boy. Get another comparison. I don't think I look anything like this guy. He's got a way better jaw shape than I do. Well, I guess if I lost some weight, maybe. I don't think I look like Zac Efron, but appreciate the compliment. Groove punk. The key to being a successful software engineer is being as lazy as possible while still meeting requirements some guy knew. Yeah, exactly. Cthulhu, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Wolf, how's it going? Hello. Force Penguin says, have a great stream. Bedtime for the penguin. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. Laman says, must have just watched the dumb Starbucks episode of Nathan for You. I don't know what that is. But this was like a decade ago, so maybe not. Cube, hello. Are you the new CEO? I mean, I'm the CEO of my own thing, but I'm also the CTO and the only developer and marketing and everything else as well. But yeah, modifying the DOM with Python is the standard. What do you mean? I guess is that the innovation they made? But I'm pretty sure Pyodide could do that before anyway. I saw PyScript before seeing it was from Anaconda. The second part of the news made me shiver a bit. Yeah, that makes me think it's even more just marketing bullshit then, because Pyodide is not an Anaconda project, and I'm pretty sure PyScript is just a wrapper. Anton, hello. Good to see you again. Do they have custom Python binaries? We have a dozen or so at work, and I don't get the point. No, we don't even do anything custom. It's literally just pyenv and then pray. Which, God, I fucking hate pyenv. And would love to burn it. Because it's such a pain in the ass. Also, like, Apple keeps breaking our binaries, or breaking the build of the binaries. The binaries are fine. Binaries themselves are fine. But Apple keeps breaking the builds. Like, we were using 3.8.12, and the latest version of macOS breaks a Debian-specific compiler flag that CPython tests for in everything older than 3.8.13. Apple just decided to use exactly the same Debian-specific command line flag and always return an error. So 3.8.12 is broken on the latest version of M1 Max. specifically. So we're self-building using PyEnv, and we had to scramble to upgrade everyone to 3.8.13 before we could let people upgrade their OS. And like, God, it's just a fucking pain in the ass. And if we just pre-build everything and then ship pre-builds to laptops, we wouldn't have this problem. We would just static link the parts that matter and not really worry about anything else. But yeah. Hey, what's up, the Devil Kid? Level up. We are dressed up today. We are indeed. There is a suit command, which I believe you have found. Yes. That has the answer there. Although ours are packaged by the software we support. I guess it's fair. Yeah, we don't really do anything special. We just burn fossil fuels and rebuild from source over and over and over. Yeah. No more NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Sklern, and OpenCV for you. Praise be. Fucking bless up. Yeah, I don't think I have to deal with any of those dependencies. Let's see. Celery. Oh, this is kind of annoying, but I have not worked much with Django, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing Django stuff. This is, why are we using MMH3? I don't know. But I'm not seeing any NumPy in here. Not seeing any NumPy in here, which is great. It's great. It's so good. We got a bunch of like weird unsorted stuff down here. Selenium though. But yeah, no NumPy. Thank God. Technologic, hello, welcome back. Aitor says that chat is lit. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. If you do bang bot, that'll get you the chatbot Git repository. You can check that out. Preparing commits pull request review. Oh yes, that is actually kind of what we're doing right now, Anton. CE all. What does that mean, Cube? Alfred Rod says, what's the Anthon recommended way of having multiple Pythons installed in macOS? I don't have a good answer. macOS is a fucking disaster. What I've done in the past is built my own and put them at prefixes and symlink the binaries into the right place. That has been the most consistent way that I've managed to get it to work. And then upload those built binaries to some place where they can be downloaded and just run. But Summersoft says, I really like PyEnv for some time now, but some of the edge cases are extremely painful, so I understand people who hate it. It's not just that the edge cases are painful, it's that, like, yeah, sure, it's fine if you are a one person working with PyEnv, you know how to set it up for yourself, and you're good to go. If you have 100 developers, or 1,000 developers, or 2,000 developers that all need to use PyEnv, and, you know, who knows what fucking bullshit fish shell shenanigans they've set up on their laptop, or you know, what fucked up state Brew is in, or there's a million other things that they could have broken. Not even before they get to the PyEnv edge cases and like, oh, we have a weird version of curl installed, or they didn't set up SSL certs, or they're on a network that blocks a particular whatever or another. Then PyEnv is just, it's just, I feel like, I mean, I haven't had to do this at Sentry yet, but I feel like about, you know, when we use PyEnv at Stripe, for instance, or when we let people use PyEnv at Lyft, you know, like 20 to 25% of my day was just debugging PyEnv and being like, oh yeah, you fucked yourself again, haven't you? Here, let me hold your hand and show you how to uninstall and reinstall software until you're in a good state. It's just like, it doesn't have to be that hard. We've been distributing pre-built binaries for decades, and it works fucking great. Let's just do more of that. Surely we can make that work, right? But, it's just, it's something. It's something, man. It's something. But anyway, 1:40 a.m. Well, if you need to grab some sleep, feel free. And I'm glad you stopped by. Alejandroid, welcome. Hello. Marsha is also here. Marsha, how you doing? Who's that fancy boy? Hit me. He said bless up. Did I? Shit. Alejandro says, what college did you go to? I went to the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor. which is redundant because, you know, if you just say University of Michigan, of course it's Ann Arbor, but there are other ones. Baroque Hype Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Redis, I'm sold. I like this repo. Redis is good if you use it properly. Yeah. If you fuck around and find out with Redis, though, it's not so good. It's not NumPy, it's not NumPy. Yeah. Sure. Okay. If I recall correctly, Celery had their domain name expire and lost it to some stranger. Yeah. Yeah, they did. Actually, I think it was that the original maintainer of Celery kind of falling out or something weird. I don't remember the specifics, but yeah. I do remember their domain expiring, and Google is still confused about it. Repivot in org, yeah, I can see that would be a nightmare. Yeah, it sucks. Fucking sucks. Nighttime is programming time? Nice, nice. Dame says, will you use Django in your job? I will. Yeah, Sentry is a Django shop. Which is interesting because their most senior developer created Flask. So explain that, atheists. Anyway. Yeah, so I gotta wait on Swift. .NET. This seems generic. That would probably work. Conda probably would work. Dart. Looks like that would work too. Still haven't fixed this. Oh, maybe we'll do that today. Maybe we'll fuck around with this now that I have a new VM. We could try and build Dart from source on a single machine. Yes. This I need to rebuild, but shouldn't be too hard. This shouldn't be too bad. So it's basically just Swift. Excuse me. But how will the Flask versus Django war continue, right? Yeah, Century. Yeah. No, Sentry. We gotta be very specific in my pronunciation. Oh my god. Love my dad, but he's been doing this really interesting thing recently. Where you know how like typically in American English and even in British English as well. T's in the middle of words get smooshed into D's. What's an example? Little? Little. Little is a good example. So we don't say little, we say little. For some reason, my dad has decided that he is going to buck that trend and intentionally pronounce the T's in the middle of words. So it, I don't know. I find it a little bit annoying. A little bit annoying. But at the same time, it's, I don't know. Congratulations. Yeah, that's another one. But he'll say congratulations. I don't even know how you would do that. Congratulations. No, you can't do that one. That one I don't even think my dad would be able to fuck that one up. But yeah, anyway. Anyway. Scent tree? Yeah. Hey, what's up, Pari? Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm doing alright. In terms of building APIs, Fast API blows both out of the water. I disagree. I don't think Fast API makes really any innovative things on top of that. Beyond the wacky runtime typing stuff, which is a whole different can of good luck supporting that bullshit. But yeah. Congratulations would just be with a little less D in it. Wait. Yeah. How does unlimited PTO work? Can you just not work? No, it doesn't quite work that way. In practice, unlimited PTO does two things. One, statistically, it causes individuals to take less PTO overall because it's not tracked and there's not a balance. But the main thing and the main reason that companies do it is so that they don't have to pay PTO out when individuals leave the company, because they have unlimited. So they have no means to cash out PTO. And if you're in an unlimited PTO situation, for instance, I am at the moment, my recommendation is to catalog your own PTO and treat it as if you had a balance, and keep track of it yourself, and aim for something that's reasonable, such as 4 weeks a year, 5 weeks a year, whatever you want to aim for. Yeah, I was literally typing that little bit annoying thing, "you bully," but I couldn't figure out how to capitalize it. Right. Wait till I do that when I write. Hey, what's up, MDS Ubuntu? Hello, hello. How does unlimited PTO work? Not well. Yeah. Clinton Bond, hello, hello. Welcome. We just replaced Flask with Fast API? Well, certainly a choice. Elfenrod says, UK is the best of both worlds. I have unlimited PTO, but there's a statutory minimum, so we get paid for untaken PTO if we leave. Oh. Up to the statutory minimum time. Whoa, 25 days? Damn. That's pretty legit. That's pretty legit. Because then it's not a vested benefit. Most places you tend to take less, but my current place has unlimited and has a minimum. Oh. Minimum's good. Yeah, I feel like places should do that more. It also makes it so there's no liability for PTO on the balance sheet. True. Marsha says, I missed you in your cozy stream. Yeah, we did a Minecraft stream on Saturday. Yeah, which was nice. Also, since more of you are here now, or different segment of you are here, since Marsha's here, we'll just do that. On Saturday, we're doing a collaboration stream with Citrusine. We're gonna be playing It Takes Two again, which will be fun. This is gonna be at 6 Pacific, 9 Eastern, and whatever other time zones you want to translate that to. But yes, re-announcement. I will announce it at the end of the stream as well. I figured I would do it again here. X Nihilo, good to see you again. When I was at Northrop Grumman, I don't know how to pronounce that. I worked with a dude who got 40 hours in the PTO hole, and because of him, the whole company was stopped from going in that hole. Oh, that's funny. That's crazy. You're asleep for 24 hours on Saturday? Holy shit. Continuing your divorce journey with your husband? Yes, precisely, Tofu. Precisely. We will be continuing our divorce party. But yeah. Anyway, let me continue this. Oh, notification. Yeah, we're just playing the Distracto game an hour into stream. Local variable reference for assignment wording is misleading. This seems to make sense to me. Maybe it said also defined. Or just got rid of this entirely. This is unrelated. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know. I think this error message is... I think it needs fixing. Maybe a bot command to help me convert the time zone to GMT. Or to UTC. Yeah. How do you like Django so far? I mean, I used Django a long time ago. It's alright. I don't really like the idea of Django. Partially because, like, Django forces you to have a big blob of global state being your settings file. And to do anything anywhere remotely related to the Django, you need to have that settings file and have it importable, and people often stuff side effects in there and all sorts of annoying sadness. So it's just like, it's just kind of a pain in the ass to work with anything Django related. Like it makes it hard to write little functions in your Django view modules and then unit test them, because you can't just unit test the functions because you've imported Django. You need to have the settings module available. You just need to do all this fucking bullshit to make Django bootstrap it work. Whereas with like, I guess Flask has this problem in some things as well, but at least in Flask, the app initialization is an explicit opt-in versus needing to have it as a magical global import side effect module. I don't know. That's my grumble about Django. But what are you gonna do, I guess? Started exercising again and barely did anything and then slept for 24 hours. Whoa. Normalish day. Nice. Good to hear you're exercising again. That's good to hear. I'm trying to get back into running again. I went for a run yesterday. Yesterday? No. What day is today? Yeah, no, I went for a run yesterday. Yeah. Which was nice. I think I did 3 or 4 miles. Can't remember. 3, 4? Something like that. Well, I know how far I went, but I can't remember whether it's 3 miles or 4 miles. I think it's 3, but it might be 4. I don't know. But, yeah. Nothing like warming up to an hour of distractions for the first hour of the stream. Yeah, exactly. You down with UGC? You know... Yeah, you know me. Elvenrat says, we use Django. Our import time is about 12 seconds. Oh my god. 12 seconds? What the fuck is it doing? Yeah, that's the other thing. Like, Sentry's import time for doing nothing right now is like 1.5 seconds. And I'm like, this is bad. Are people okay with this? And I'm like, what are you talking about? 1.5 seconds? It's like nothing. I've already fixed it by like 30% by killing package resources. All my homies hate package resources. So we fixed that at least. Pseudomaze, hello, welcome. We have a massive monolith without 35,000 Python files. Yeah, that would certainly contribute to it. Oh, yeah, there's Sentry up too. GitHub, Git. I hate that it's get Sentry / Sentry. There's also get Sentry, which is the private repo. In my brain cannot get any of those right. I always fuck it up, like 100% of the time. Create app design in Flask is very nice, minimizing any important side effects. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I agree. And the pattern works pretty well. We also have a very painful Django monolith. Yeah. Yeah, 35,000 files is what he said. Let's see how many Sentry has. 3,000. Oh, it would be this. It's a bad sign. 3,800 files and only 2,300. So there's like 1,300, no, 1,400 test files versus 2,200 non-test files. It doesn't really line up nicely for test coverage, but oh well, we'll fix that at some point. Speaking of all my homies hate X, do you ever say something IRL that's basically a meme and the other person doesn't get it and you're like, hide? Yes. This happens to me all the time. Fortunately, whenever I hang out with my brother, he like understands every stupid thing that I say, which is great. Like, I could reference some obscure thing from like 20 years ago and he'd be like, ha, good one. But yeah, pretty often I'm like I had to explain 07. I'd explain 07 to my coworkers. For instance. Silly Buttons! Looking prime today. Thank you for the resub at 13 months, Silly Buttons. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. Thank you for your continued support. Welcome back. Constantly looking know your meme pages to coworkers. Yeah, it's true. You have to charge overtime? Oh, this is just open source. I'm not really doing work, but yeah. Sudimate says, I was about to type your comment about pre-commits issue about adding its config to Pi project and it's, yeah. Yes, Sudimate, you indeed have learned. What is 07? I literally did the thing. Links to obscure 70s band my dad likes. I haven't seen him in here in a while. Hope he's doing well. Yeah, he's doing all right. He's doing all right. He was here. When was the last time he was here? I think I was here like within a couple weeks. One timeout, yeah. I timed him out while playing Among Us. He was here during the last time I streamed with Citrus. Feel like that's me and my sister as well as some of my coworkers. Yeah. That's like me and my little sister. We spend enough time online that it's just like one of us can go, you know, that gif where that thing happens and we know exactly what the other's thinking. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Recursive Chat? Hello. If I forget, did anyone figure out a workaround for get working color and pre-commit output? Yeah, there are two ways to get around that. The first is to not use that version of get. It will get fixed. But at the moment, yeah, the latest version of get fucks up color. Make prefix equals pwd prefix -j5 install. There's a shortcut. Step. Probably all the time that I would have saved is now lost. No tickle, no get text. But yeah, I will show you the workarounds once that finishes building. I'll also show you that it's broken. Yeah, the fucking funniest thing is like an engineer from Google committed it and they're like, well, we've been using this internally and no one has complained about it yet. And it's like, yeah, well, Google has very specific requirements for this. And the get primary container is like, this is an unacceptable regression. I am angry. Which English is not his first language, so it just came across as being pretty funny, but fuck. But yeah, they're working to revert. Well, they're not reverting. They're working to redo the patch in a different way for whatever reason, but it'll get fixed. Marsha. Okay. So export path equals pwd prefix bin path, and then oh, I did dumb half HTTP for some reason. We'll just edit the RMD. This is the best project. Give me a t-shirt. Well, sure, we'll be a Hacktoberfest committer. Yeah, so you can see color is broken here. The first workaround for this is to export pre-commit color equals always. And that will force color to be on. Or you use a different version of get. Those are basically your choices there. Which sucks, but yeah. And then you said, I think you've got a regression, buddy pal. Yeah. I actually bisected for them. This is the easiest way for me to get to that. Inigo F7, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. So a big old thing here. Here's the bad commit. So if we unset, is that how that works? So when I revert this, oh, right, I shallow cloned. Maybe if we grab 1,000 commits, we'll be good. Verax, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Getting married? No. Funeral. How's it going, PJZ? Hello, hello. No, I wouldn't even wear a suit to a job interview. Literally, weddings and funerals, like, are the only reason I would wear a suit. Maybe I should have just unshallowed instead of doing 1500. Because this seems like it's slower than just a full clone. Oh, it's going. Maybe it's fine. Alright, see if I can revert now. Yeah, resolve your deltas. Let's go. I don't have all day. Well, I do have all day. I do indeed have all day. Oh god, tags. I went way far back. I didn't need to go this far back. Oh, I think I just pulled all the tags. Maybe? 0.99. They really embraced that zero word, didn't they? Ugh, merge conflict. No. How is this possibly a conflict? We want this version of it. Yeah, if I do this now. Solicit declaration of run hook VE. Okay, never mind. Anyway, you can imagine that if I reverted that successfully, then it would work. I'm not gonna bother. I don't care. You'll just have to trust me on it. For you. Oh. Yeah, I tweeted the thing that somebody posted in Dixord. So yeah, I stole your terrible code for Twitter clout. My bad. But I had to share with the world. 10 plus notification. Oh, auto update day happens. Okay. Well, are we ready for the weekly click therapy? I'm ready for my weekly click therapy. This is my favorite part of the week. Anthony, why don't you automate this? Because look at how fucking satisfying this is about to be. This is about to be the most satisfying thing. Oh yes, we're gonna merge so much pull requests. It's gonna be so good. Dun, 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 dun. Is it exactly 50? Oh no, there's a few more. Thought it might be exactly 50. That'd be wild. Hey, what's up, fat and chill gamer? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Please, it's Monday. I need therapy. Yeah. Experience ruined by the GitHub UI team. Yeah. Yeah. Limber up your click, Ginger. Finger. Okay. It's funny because the kerning on this almost looks like Dick Ginger, which like I don't know what that is. Clicked all at the top. Yeah, we can't open them all in tabs, which is what I want to do. Oh, we got a red one in here. Let's see what's up with that one. But now, hello? I'll zoom out a bit so that we get the button on screen. Why can't I merge this? Oh, because I have to approve it. Sorry, you're gonna see things being a little small for a bit. But I can just self-approve and merge this. Ooh, I don't have the settings tab here. Damn. But yeah, we can just do boop boop. Nope, that one's not done yet. Where's that one? Boop boop. Oh, yes. But yeah, this is a bug in GitHub today. So just ignore this garbage down here. Don't you mean a little small? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Watch Dick click. Watch kerning fail. Yeah. I had a hard time reading that. I read cock even though that was for Marsha. Marsha. That one's not done. That one's not done. This one is failing. Interesting. Interesting. Well, we'll have to see what's up with that one. It's the tests that are failing though, not the mypy? No, it's probably the mypy. Interesting. Well, we'll take a look at that in a sec. Actually, we'll do a prediction. Let's see. Is it a mypy bug? Yes or no? Don't peek. No peeking, chat. But we will let you bet your channel points. No peeking. Peeking's cheating. Hey, what's up, Victor J? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I've never watched, but I see you have suit top. Are you also wearing suit pants? I am indeed. I am indeed wearing suit pants. And it's the drop song, chat. Did I spell bug wrong? Fuck. I do this all the time. Or instead of typing bug, I type butt, and instead of typing butt, I type bug. Alright, pretend that word is bug, not butt. That's pretty funny though. Is this a mypy butt? We have another one failing as well. I think it's the repo that's just broken. There's a repo that like the CI is broken and I don't know why. I think I might have to delete it and recreate it. Although I think we tried to do that and it didn't work. I do not know. Well, that one's also failing. Yeah, this is the one where the CI was fucked. I think that one's just the CI being fucked again. Alright, prediction is in. Let's see what you guys bet after I click merge on all these. Is this the normal font size or is this the normal font size? This looks right. Mulcra, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Control 0 is the normal font size? No, it's not the normal stream font size. We usually bump it up. Make it bigger and easier to read. Drop song, let's go. 91% for yes. 12 for yes and 3 for no. Huckatoss with the big bet, 5k. Whoa. Silly Buns with a big bet for no at 1k. Might be a big pig out for no. We'll see. How's auto update day? We haven't gotten to it yet. We're just merging my stuff first, and then we will take a look at the actual graphs and such. But GitHub is having some CSS problems today. just a few problems today. All right, now we get to figure out. Well, we'll defer it a little bit. Oh, just a little bit as I close all these tabs. Yes, close my tabs. Okay, I think that's all of them except for the failed ones. I'm actually surprised more didn't fail. And now we get to figure out if it's a mypy bug or not. Bum 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 bum. Unused type ignore. Oh, this might actually be a mypy bug fix. Why did I try and clone Dead Snakes? What am I trying to clone? Reorder Python imports. Reorder Python imports. It's looking like the no-betters are about to get a fuck ton of points here. Why didn't I try and check out all repos? Generate. What was the file? Generate typing. Oh. Yep, if that it is a mypy bug fix, so that would be a no. Right click, close tabs to the right. Yeah, that's no fun, good cop. It'll be much better. Or it'll be much worse. Nerds World, hello. MacB, maybe you heard that more than once. You sound like the guy from Daily Dose of Internet. I have not heard that one. Is that a thing? Chat, do I sound like Daily Dose? Let's see. Daily Dose of Internet YouTube. Internet or YouTube? Alright, we're a React channel now, chat. Videos. The tortoise that hates shoes. Okay. I don't think I sound like that. This is your daily dose of internet. I mean, I could sound like it, but I don't think that's me. No, I don't sound like him at all. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Emiller, hello, welcome. Ormus, thank you for the link in chat there. Computers are supposed to be deterministic. Deleting and recreating the same config shouldn't change results. I agree. Top 5 bonkers. Yeah. Yeah. It's still a mypy bug though. It's not though, Hakatas. I'm gonna lose some. You're gonna lose points here. Prediction. Choose outcome. No. Big points. X got done. Hello, welcome. You're so fast. That's what she said. Cry party. Remove unused type. Ignore. A bug fix is caused by a bug. That's pushing it. That's pushing it. Professor Fate. Hello, welcome. You sound like Anthony? Anthony sounds more human. If you bring your voice deeper than yes, I don't think it would even do that if I forced my voice to be deeper. Or did I go too deep? Am I too deep now? Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above my head instead of going under. Nactip Balda and Nerds World, thank you both for the follow. Welcome. I bet 10, I got 107 back. It wasn't a mypy, but what actually changes this version of mypy? Oh yeah, I was going to read the release notes. Yes, mypy 500, 950? Usually it's on their blog. MyPy blog. Isn't new. Oh, concatenate works? Yo, let's go. Doesn't actually work though. I think with concatenate I can implement LRU cache with without a plugin. Maybe we'll do that, because that would be kind of sick. Concatenate. Yeah, because this was not working with mypy last time. 386, that's the number of Pokemon in 3rd gen. Maybe I have to do this. Oh, I probably could have just used dash Python version. mypy t.py. No return value expected. Yo, let's go. Let's fucking go. That's kind of sick. Okay. Maybe we will try and make that work. That's kind of cool. 8A gang, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. X now says, dude, I got a new keyboard. Keychron Q3. And I can type so fast, it's a great board. Oh, cool. She did say that, Sag. Hey, what's up, Professor Fate? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I was literally typing that song, you dork. Remember the song, like, I like girls that wear Abercrombie and Fitch. I'm not familiar with that. Daydeemed, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Thank you, appreciate it. I haven't heard Blag in like 5 years. The Interblag, yeah. Even after watching your Typevar video, did I do a video on Typevar? I don't think I did. I think it's been mentioned in a bunch of videos, but never specifically about Typevar. Yeah, like this is the concatenate video. This one is self. I don't think I've talked about generics at all. What was this video? Boolean trap. Nope, not that one. This mentions a type variable, but I doubt it is about it. Aliases, yeah. This one uses a lot of type variables, but I don't think this one's about... Yeah, context manager. Yeah, I've not done a type video. I've used it in a bunch, but yeah. Yeah. So, I have not completely explained it yet, though. So. Yeah. What's typing concatenate? It allows you to take parameter specs and add parameters to them. And the reason that it would allow me to make a LRU cache proper decorator is I could use concatenate with self to make a descriptor that mypy would understand, I think. I know the Abercrombie and Fitch song, but I can't think of like more of it. The only memorable line is about Abercrombie and Fitch. Yeah, there you go. First day learning programming. Nice. Welcome, welcome. I take her if I had one wish. She's been gone since that summer. What? What's the artist? The artist of the yeah, there's no video yet. What's with the outfit today? Yeah, if you do bang suit, you will get the answer. Chance on the ball today. Can anybody explain it, or can anyone? Artist is LFO. I don't know what that. Nope, got no idea there. Okay, So this should be, oh, but now I gotta wait in line behind myself probably. Queued. Queued. Where's the, it used to tell me how far behind I was. Is that not a thing anymore? Oh, maybe because I'm not logged in. Let me log in off screen so it doesn't show my phone number to everyone in chat like it usually does. Thanks, Microsoft. You fucks. Okay, hasn't shown it yet. We're on a good alt. There it is. Don't look at the reflection in my eyeballs, chat. God damn it. This thing. Okay. I should be able to do this again. Now does it show me the queue position? 22. Oh, that's not so bad. That'll catch up pretty quickly. Oh, I have to sneeze. The dab sneeze, right? Oh, so my brother and I would have laughed about this at the funeral. So one of the things they do in a Catholic funeral, because my grandmother was Catholic, so we had a Catholic funeral, is they like shake incense over the casket for some reason. I don't really understand why. But while they were doing this, I leaned over to my brother and go, wouldn't it be fucking dank if that was just weed? In retrospect, maybe it's not that funny, but I thought it was hilarious. LFOs, no AFI. True. I think I only know like one AFI song. Yeah, I think I only know one AFI too. I can't even think of the name of it. Or the tune. Never mind. I don't know if I know an AFI song anymore. Quick zoom in. Yeah. Maybe it reflects off the picture. No, the picture is this. My light, so you can see my hand waggling. You can see my hand waggling over here. I guess the screens. Oh, you get the upper screen here, and the top of this screen here. So yeah, you would not. Oh wait, no, the upper screen was where it was. Nah, there's no way you can zoom and enhance. That shit's fake. Kramer SV says Gesundheit. Thank you. Gesundheit. Thank you. Appreciate it. X now says, I'm Catholic too. The incense symbolizes our prayers rise in heaven. Yes. I mean, you... Never mind. No, not gonna go there. Oh, let me say though, man. We did two visitations, and we did a rosary at both of the visitations. Man, sitting through however many rounds of Hail Marys is quite a lot. If you've never been to one, it's basically, I don't know, it feels like a cult chant. That's kind of what it is. They only did 3 rounds of rosaries at the first one. They did 5 at the second one. If I remember correctly, there's like 12 total. And man, I'm glad we didn't do all 12. Because 3 and 5 was enough already. And but and the best part is the person running the church person running the rosary clearly did not give a fuck. Like she was like, Holy Mary, Mother of Grace, blah, 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 amen. Holy Mary, Mother of Grace, blah, 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 amen. Like just mumbling her way through it, just like very clearly, like not embellishing the words, not enunciating, none of that shit, just blah, 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 amen. But yeah. Although the incense scared away the vampires, yeah, there you go. That indeed would be dank, yeah. Hey, what's up, Stonkfish? Hello. Should make the picture light up so you can better hide the reflection. It's not a screen. It's just a photo. It's just a. What's the word? It's not a photograph. It's just a picture frame. There's the word I was looking for. Hey, what's up, Easy Light? Hello. Thank you for the command, the server. What if you have heavy prayers? You're gonna need something more to get them high. It's a bad idea to write to the same log file from 4 separate processes. Yes, that is, yep, unless you have some way to lock that file to prevent concurrent writes from running over each other. Wait, what is this button? Bump this job to the top of the queue? There's no way that's button gonna work. I'm gonna click it though. What? It might actually be working. Yo, it actually worked? That's a cool ass button. I've never seen that button before. Why is this red? Yellow, okay. That's kind of pog. I thought it was a football thing, yeah. 5 decades of 10 Hail Marys, and then there's 3 at the beginning. They did at least 5 rounds of Hail Marys at the second visitation. There were a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. It's like 20 minutes where I'm just like, yeah, okay, Mary. Okay. Definitely remove yourselves from those test fixes. God's AFK speedrun the prayers. Right? Man, that would have been the dream. Okay, I gotta figure out how to unfuck this repo. Oh, I want to keep this up though. I'm thinking if I delete this and recreate it, it will fix it. Because this is just been fucking up every single time. It's just auto canceling itself. I don't know why. So we're gonna try and delete and recreate. See if that fixes things. Unless I forgot something in this file. Is it maybe my fault? No, this is main. And the default branch is main. Okay, we're gonna try and delete this and then recreate it. This one. Although, didn't we already try and delete this and recreate it? No, this has stuff back to 2021. Okay. We're gonna try delete. Yeah, copy paste, delete. And it's been a while since I've made a new pipeline, so we'll see how this works. I think I want to do this. Main, that's a good sign. YAML. mypy gateway v22 whiskey. Azure pipelines.yaml. Triggers, pull request, build pull requests. Save. Then close and reopen. Hello? Treatment CI is done. What? Maybe it wasn't set up yet? Maybe I was too quick? Only around trombone sounds? Yeah. Amen. It's hard to repeat it that many times and enunciate. Typically what I do is try to focus on the mysteries run. Yeah. Yeah. This one says you just paid 10k. Wait, what did I pay 10k to do? What? A new button? Yeah, the new button's pretty sick. Oh, clicking 10k, clicking the button spent 10k? Yeah. That would suck. So TG says, why are you using Azure Pipeline instead of GitHub Actions? I feel like I answered this on somewhere. Do I have a video on this chat? I don't think I have a video on this chat. GitHub doesn't have all the features I need. Particularly, it doesn't have job templating. It does have job templating, but not with the features I need. Hey, what's up, Parset? Hello, hello. Some nice event. Yeah, I went to a funeral today. Chico Codes is also here. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. I was hoping it wasn't a sad occasion. Yeah, that's how it goes. I love how people are joining like, oh, cool suit, congrats, or whatever, and then they're like, oh, yeah. Yeah, it was not my intention. Oh. Wait. This is not what I did. They ran on the main branch though, so maybe now I can do this. Go. Do it. Fuck. Floor request 71. This is 72. Well, I'm just gonna merge it and see what happens. Oh, it's running. Never mind. Let's go. We've maybe fixed it. Oh, but it has a different pipeline number. Shit. It is now pipeline 73, so we gotta update that. API gateway V22 whiskey. Ream D. What number do we have before? 65. 65 gets replaced with 73. Yes, yes, yes. Update pipeline number. Update Azure pipelines. Pipeline number. I hate that it has to be numbered. Oh. You can commit a. Wait, that would actually probably work, right? Git commit dash dash amen. I don't know why that's funny. That's why I simply commented and didn't ask any questions. Fair, 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 fair. How you doing, Stonkfish? I knew smart Anthon looked familiar. Oh no. Oh no. Business cat? What? Why do I look like business cat? What? Also, man, I got lucky. I did not pre-screen your image. You could have totally fucked me there. I'm a businessman. I'm doing my business. I'm a businessman. Yeah. Because of the cat ears? Yeah. You got me. Man, imagine I turned into a cat ears Twitch streamer. It'd be wild. I would waggle my tail. Hey, what's up, Octavius? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Do the glasses have glasses? We could have the glasses have glasses. I don't think it works that way though. They're just fashion glasses though. They're not real. They're not real glasses. They're entirely from Mei. But I didn't even end up making the joke, so now I just have glasses to take them on and off for no reason. Now he's smarter and a hacker, yeah. Now you're the sunglasses removing meme? Yeah, true, true. They have the thing in the front, or are those just holes? No, they have lenses, but they're flat lenses. They have no magnification. They aren't even computer glasses? No, they're not. Blue light glasses are a scam. They're not blue light glasses either. They're literally just prop glasses. But yeah. It was entirely it was entirely for a like prank joke video that I ended up not having time to make because of the funeral, but alas. I've been telling my coworker this, but she swears that it's making her eye not twitch. Yeah, placebo's fucking insane. Did you know that everyone is cuter in glasses? I did know that, Marsha. I did know that. Although I don't know that I am. I feel like I just look old. Not that I don't look old already, but it just enhances my oldness. Okay, cool. Fixed all those up. That's kind of nice. Little Christmas tree going here. Let me double check that we got through all of these. Hey, what's up? Jesus is AACL. Welcome, welcome. Enhances your oldness. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. That is that do be what it is. Oldness enhancer. Have you tried PyScript yet? I've used Pyodide before, and PyScript isn't anything beyond Pyodide. So I both have and have not. I have not used PyScript, but I've used Pyodide. And given that I've used Pyodide, probably not going to use PyScript. Anyway, sorry, we're in the middle of doing open source review from last time. Added 3.6 distutils because I repackaged stuff. I upgraded Node.js. I moved away from the PPA. We also did this on stream for my actual OS installation. So I also copied that over from my operating system setup. So now this is doing the same thing for Predicament CI. I have not rolled this out yet. I was going to wait until auto update day was over before I did this. And waited until I was going to be at a computer because I didn't want to roll out a big change to Predicament CI and then be like, sorry, peace, I'm not going to be looking at a computer for another week. And then he's a big fan of mscripton regularly visiting in the Dead Snakes builds. Yeah, well, at least the mscripton build actually seems slightly more promising because it's actually native CPython versus Pyodide, which I believe is not. Oh wait, this is a different mscripton build. Okay, maybe this is fine. The original Pyodide was not this though. Yeah. It used to be something else. But I guess now that it is, maybe it'll be fine now. Hey, what's up, Clip-T9M? Welcome back. Hello, hello. Oh no, it's gonna happen again. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Linger says, have you created some games? I have made one game. I can show you my one game. If it loads, some days it does not. Because Android Studio is Android Studio for whatever reason. Run! Run. Jostle. That's another reference no one... Well, if anyone in chat understands that reference, there's no way. There's no way that anyone in chat understands that reference. My brother does. And my high school ex-girlfriend understands that. But if you know what I'm referencing, I don't know, I'll give you a sub or something. Anyway, so this is a game called Ken. I implemented my own version of Ken. Ken is a Sudoku-like game. Say it again. It's specifically in this tone, but it run, jostle, and there's no way you're gonna be able to Google it either. I don't think that'll come up either. But anyway, it's a game like Ken. You can't have the same number in the same or game like Sudoku. You can't have the same number in the same row or column. And it has these numbered boxes which have a number and a math symbol, and this is just its own box. These numbers and math symbols mean that the numbers in there have to, with this math symbol, become this. So 5 divided has to be a 1 and a 5. You can have a 1 and a 5 in either of those places. This could be a 1 and a 4, for instance. 9 plus can be 3 plus 6 or 4 plus 5. Could be either of those. 8 plus could be really anything except for, oh, actually, wait, no, it has to be 2, 3, 5, 6. But since this can't be a 6, then this can't be a 2, for instance. And you basically just math your way to solving this. This, well, actually, this could be 3. No, can't be. Yeah, has to be 3, 5, 6. Since the 6 can't appear down here, that means the 6 can be here. Since this can't be a 6 here, this can't be a 2. 12 plus could really be any of them, I think. Can it be 1? No, it can't be 1. Can it be 2? Yeah, it can be 2. Can't be a 1. Which actually, you know, given some of the logic here, this has to be a 1. This has to be a 4. Since we see 3, 5 next to each other here, that means you can't see a 3 or a 5 anywhere else in this. And so this, we know this has to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 in some way. And you basically just logic your way out to solve these puzzles. This has to be 3, 6. 3, 6. This has to be a 5. This has to be 1 or a 3. This has to be 4, 6. This has to be a 3 because of 1, 5 here. This has to be 1, 5. Oh, this has to be a 5, which means this is a 1. This is a 3. This is a 5. This is a 5. This is a 4. And I won the game. So that's basically the game. I like to play in 9x9 mode. And there's a hard mode which disables the top bar. So you basically have to keep in your head what the numbers can be. So this has to be 4, 5, 7. So this has to be a 1. This has to be a 7. And it's basically just like, you know, a little bit more mentally challenging. But I play this game a lot. I think my best time in 9x9 hard mode is 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Maybe 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Check. I believe I set it on Christmas one year. Statistics. Nope, 2 minutes and 4 seconds is my best time. Not on Christmas. October 27th of 2019. That is X's birthday. But yeah, my average win time for 9x9 in hard mode is 7.5 minutes. Probably don't want me to sit through that. My best time in easy mode is 2 minutes and 53 seconds because I don't really play easy mode anymore. But yeah, I play this game a lot. But anyway, that's Ken Squared. But it is not on the Android store because of because it was taken down due to a copy or a trademark infringement, despite my app doesn't use any of the alleged trademarks except in the class name. But that's not user facing. But the trademark holder Nextoy issued a takedown notice while I was in school, and I didn't have, I had no way to fight a legal battle as a poor college student, so I didn't bother. So it's just, if you want it, it's open source. You can build it from scratch. Anyway, don't Sudoku yourself on stream. I can't handle another funeral if a Sudoku happens. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Karamarku? Hello, hello. Yeah, next level Sudoku. Yeah, I kind of like that. Sorry to hear you. Sorry for your loss. Well, thank you for the kind words. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, people get old. It happens. Do you play your own game? A lot. Yeah. I've put in, well, I played 1,000 games and I average 7 minutes or 8-ish minutes per game. So let's say 8 minutes times 1,000 games. It's actually closer to 1,300 games. In hours. 173 hours. That's actually not that much. But that's only 9x9. I also play 8 through 4 as well. It's written in Kotlin. It was originally written in Java in 2012. And was upgraded mostly to Kotlin recently. I haven't upgraded one part of it because some of the code is actual fucking garbage. But yeah. Marsha. How often do you play FTL? I don't know, like once a month or so. I thought I knew Java till I started working. Okay, anyway, upgraded Node.js to 18. I will roll this out eventually. I did some refactoring. This actually doesn't do anything. I just moved some files around in the runner. Mostly this file was getting very long. It still is very long. I need to make it not so long. Bit of a long boy. Yeah, it's 970 lines. It was 1100 when I started. This file is also kind of long. But I basically have been splitting things out into... Nope, not that full alert. Splitting them out into separate modules such that I can write tests for them and have a better understanding of what is and isn't tested. Because this is the most complicated and most important part of Predicament CI, and it has the lowest test coverage. So I want to improve on that so I'm a little bit more confident when making changes. But I haven't done that yet. But yeah, factor that into the little file, and that's all I really did since last time. I need to fill up my water because I am an hour late on doing that, so I will do that real quick. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Oh god, a raid. Hi chat. Hi True. Hi Trash. I'm here. I promise. I was filling up my water. Heard from the other room. I'm like, oh god, am I being follow botted? What has happened? Oh no. But we're here. Hi chat. Welcome to the stream. Let me say hi to everyone who has joined. Oh my god. Oh my god. Static Public Void Main, hello. Manny Maki, good to see you. Lambio, welcome, welcome. W Raid, L, he's away. No, I'm here. I made it. How's it going? Captain Beard, hello, hello. Hope isn't for you. Broadcaster Tier 1 verified, take off your shirt. What? But I'm wearing so many of them. Night MVM, welcome, welcome. Man, even here. No, we're here, raiding the BRB screen. Yeah, it was true, we're here. Take off your shirt, I guess? Sam Gold, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Is he pooping? No, no. I was filling up my water. So the thing is, you need to take off your shirt. Are we getting banned? Is that what we're doing? No. That's too much work. When you see this man's abs, more like flabs. I've been a little bit not working out as much as I should. Well, I've been working out a lot, but I've also been eating a lot. A whole ass suit, it's true. Yeah, I just got back from my grandmother's funeral. So yeah, not to put a damper on things, but welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're all doing well. Sarcastic Dante, how are you doing? Cherish, hello, hello. I say hi to Halu, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Asics, welcome. Hope it's for you. Hello, Mr. Please Get Naked Bongo Tap. Okay, well then. You can keep the tie on, but not the shirt. No, you're fine, sir. Don't worry about it. It's fine. People have been asking all day. It's I went into this knowing people were gonna ask, and that's just okay. That's what I signed up for. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who has followed. Look at my bird, Trox, Yoni Carlson, Nabinat, Malet Florin. Hello, it's Ben, Yahya Mossadek, Salient K, Cherish, Jesus Christo, Wrigglesworth, Shrewd Food, Twisted Metal, and Pistolamuka. I thought I was being followed by it. Thank you all for the follows. I appreciate it. We also just passed 15K today, which is pretty exciting. And thank you all for helping me get there. Everyone made a joke about the suit and I was like, oh no. Yeah, it's true. I appreciate the kind words, and yeah, don't feel bad. It's okay. I completely understand. Hey, what's up, the John Mega? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. He's writing real commits? Yeah. Yo. We do a little bit of work on this channel. Just saying. Is this Chippendale? I don't know what Chippendales is. We do. Nice. Is the suit part of a guilt trip I did not sign up for? That was not the point, but it did end up kind of that way. Follow bottom, let's go. I mean, knock on wood. Knock on wood. I haven't been follow botted in over a year. So maybe I'm immune now? Of course, now that I say that, it's gonna happen like within a week, but okay. Since we're here, we will take a look at some graphs. I know, man, probably don't care about the graphs, but it's auto update day for pre-commit CI, which means it goes around and sends pull requests that look like this to all of the repositories, basically updating the version similar to Dependabot, but way less annoying because it just does it all in one fucking pull request. Why can't Dependabot just do it in one pull request? Why does it have to send 10? It would be so much better if it didn't have to send 10. But alas. Anyway, it bumps the versions in all these. And pre-commit CI is a CI system that I wrote while I was laid off. This is the output of it. It runs pre-commit, which is a tool that I wrote, an open source tool. But the idea behind pre-commit CI is, well, I'll just read the tagline real quick. Developers spend a fair chunk of time during their development flow on fixing relatively trivial problems in their code. Pre-commit CI both enforces that these issues are discovered, which is opt-in for each developer's workflow via pre-commit, but also fixes the issues automatically, letting developers focus their time on more valuable problems. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, it fixes your pull requests. If you fuck up formatting or whatever, it'll just come and auto-fix it for you. It's also way faster than other comparable free CI systems, and this is based on real data that is a little bit old. I think if I retimed it, pre-commit CI would be even faster because I've done a few performance improvements since I made this graph. But yeah, it's super fast because it does caching and it does auto updates today, which it actually is scheduled at 4:20 p.m. UTC. Unintentionally, it just ended up that way. That's what made sense. Cafe Babe, Ricky Tiki Tastic, and M Cora. Thank you all for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sheesh, the green wall. Yeah, I do a little bit of stuff here. Why do you have to say hello and welcome twice? Because my brain is broken. Because content brain, I don't know. I've always said hello, hello, and that's why it's kind of become a meme on the channel, and that's why there's an emote for it, and a whole bunch of other stuff. A thing I used to say all the time that I don't know that I say anymore is true. It's true. To the point where people would say strew, and they would, like, that was just supposed to be understood that was me saying it's true. But I feel like I don't say that anymore, or at least maybe I do say it, but people don't point it out anymore. Josu Akui, thank you for the follow. Welcome. What are you programming in a suit? Well, first we're gonna look at these graphs for this, and then we're gonna be working on type checker stuff. I was gonna work on a Twitch chat overlay, but I think I can make the type checker stuff work better, so we're gonna try and do that today. Clip for television ad. I'm wearing my suit today. Better try and sell this shit. Right? You're just asking me follow about it now? Yeah, it's kind of true. Yeah. I don't know an abstraction for graphics APIs. A lot of reading docs, and you get that reading docs. Graphics is real complicated. More shell tabs, please. I only have a few. We don't even need this one anymore. Or this one. Or this one. Well, we don't even need this one either. Fewer shell tabs. Went the wrong way, assets. Cafe Babe, hello, welcome. Okay, this chart actually looks fairly good. We still see this spike, but it's only 30, and it's not as, when we see a wide spike, it's usually not that great, but this one's not very thick. We'll see how that translated to actual stats, though. This is interesting, though. This is a bit of a wider one, but we were able to scale up and handle the load. That's kind of nice. And this spike is me. This spike right here is my repositories. Oh wait, no, this spike. This spike? Yeah, this spike is my repositories. And then this is when I click merge on those repositories. But yeah, if it can handle my load, it's pretty. I mean, I'm the biggest user of my own platform, which makes sense. So, let's see how the actual graph, the metrics set up against that. Why am I getting bonked? What? I'm just... Marsha, what did I say? What am I getting bonked for? I feel like I do not deserve this. You know why? I have no idea why. Yeah, what am I talking about? I'm talking about queue depth. Is it because I said it was depth? Oh. Okay, alright, that's fair. I didn't think about that. If it can handle my load, it can handle anything. Yeah. Okay. I deserve that. Alright, fine. I wasn't thinking. I only deserve it because I wasn't thinking. Matthews, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, queue max wait time of 2 hours or 2 hours. 2 minutes? Oh, this doesn't capture everything. 3 minutes? It's pretty good. Yeah, usually we see like 5 minutes, but during our weekly load test, that's pretty good. Mostly successes, only a few requeues, some failures, some build failures, some slow build failures, but yeah, overall pretty good. The other thing that we check on is how many runs we've done since the beginning of time. We were at 520k last week, or was it 620k? I don't remember. Must have been 620. Oh, I got a phone call from my dad I gotta take. I will be right back. All right, we're back. more fucking family drama. I just want it to be over. Deja Vu Code and Dembrosa, thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. And Naughty Body Wash, hello, hello. Yeah, I was on the phone. Sorry about that. My dad called me to talk about some family drama. Because my grandmother passed away, and there's fucking drama. As everyone rushes to try and seize or sell the assets, it's it's a disaster. I guess we could spill some beef. You want some beef? I guess let's talk about this first. So we were at 620-ish last week, so about 20,000 runs this week, and that's about the number that we see, which is 3,000 runs a day. That's pretty fast. That's a lot. Hello, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. My everyday routine. Oh no. There's usually drama, which sucks. Yeah. Welcome, Cuckoo Lulu. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Sarcastic Dante, for letting people know that I was muted and why I was muted. Ricardo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. My family on my mother's side split in two after my grandma died. It seems like it's not that uncommon. Yeah, yeah, it's certainly in that trajectory. Reddit says, "What are you working on?" We were taking a look at some stats for my startup, which runs a weekly update job that tries to update 8,000 repositories. Looks like it did here, and that triggers a lot of runs. So it's kind of like a weekly stress test of the system. For instance, it upgrades mypy. This week it upgraded mypy. That was kind of the big one that triggered most people's repositories. Yeah, sorry. I fiddle with these. They're prop glasses. They're not real glasses. I kind of like putting them on and taking them off for whatever reason. I need the manufacturer for those. I can get you the Amazon link. You'll realize just how cheap they were. Presumably you could put actual lenses in them, but let's see. Next link. They were $12.99. Here you go. These are the clear lens eyeglasses. They're prop glasses. 8,000 repos. How can you possibly coding that many different things? So I made a CI system called Precommit CI, which is used by, well, you can actually look at how many orgs and repos there are. You look at installs. Currently used by 1,300 different users or organizations. You can look up the paying customers too. Let's see, GitHub Marketplace, Precommit CI. I can't show this on screen because it kind of gives away private information. But I can tell you numbers. Oh, never mind. I got a new subscriber. I did get a new subscriber. One new subscriber in the last month period. But I currently have how many paying customers? GitHub does not make this easy. Last month. I have 20. No. 19. No, 18. I thought this was 0 index, but it's not. The first number, the header is numbered row 1 for some fucking reason. I have 18 paying customers at the moment, which makes it slightly profitable. But yeah, these are all my customers' repositories and not my. Oh, what the fuck happened here? Giant write consumption. There must be some... Huh, that's weird. They're not throttled, so I guess it doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah. So I have a lot of users using this. So this is not my repositories, but it's everyone else's repositories. Get blue light glasses, they don't do anything. Blue light is a scam. 77, level low. Is it expensive to maintain this project? Yes, but no. The costs come out to about $180 a month, somewhere around there. so it's not terrible to maintain. It scales pretty well with, like, I think I can double the users and not pay twice as much. Basically, I've engineered it very well to make it scale nicely. But yeah, nap time for me if I don't wake up before you end. Thank you. Have a good rest of the stream. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, Tofu. Always good to see you. Naughty Body Watch says, new here. What do you do with Python, ML, automations, web stuff, games? Usually for me, it's tooling, automation, linting, code formatters, testing libraries, infrastructure, that sort of stuff. I don't do any machine learning. I don't really write any games. Yeah, that's most of the sum up of my stream. But what I want to try and get working today is, unless someone has already done it. Naughty Body Wash, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Unless someone has already done this. I don't think they have. Func Tools, LRU Cache. They have not. So we can potentially make this work with concatenate, I think. We made a mypy plugin that kind of does this before, but I think I can do it entirely with the new typing features that came out. Here's cool. Hey, what's up, Nirm? Welcome back. Yeah, so let's take a look at what I did last time. Func Tools LRU Cache plugin. Yeah, so this was my decorator, and this was the tests. Okay, so in theory, I can take these same tests and implement the same thing as this. My cache no args, my cache args. Okay, so I have to overload. Oh, this is gonna get real complicated. Okay, but I think I can make it work. I get init func tools LRU cache demo. Virtual lab we have pip install mypy. Okay, so we need to make Python file. Plugin demo. Okay, so we're gonna make this function not actually implement this properly, but we're gonna implement the typing version of this. So we need to start with overload. We already have overload, that's good. So we have overload for my cache. Callable taking no arguments and returning R. Oh, actually, generic F. I think. Nacho Sieber, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Majestic Max says Anthony writes code in style. It's true. It's true. I wonder if I can even overload on this. F is callable any. I think we actually want callable R. We want this specifically to be a callable that takes no arguments. We need another overload, which is a function with one argument. We need to do Python 3.10, so we have concatenate. I don't remember how concatenate works. I also don't remember the other part of this is. Fortunately, I have past me to call upon. Param spec, that was what it is. I think we need this. E equals param spec E. Callable concatenate s key dot args. I think this will work. Wait, where does concatenate get used? Oh, P. P. Concatenate SP to return value. Boys. This will take SPR. And actually we can just do R here. Yeah. And then this will be callable this R or callable concatenate SPR. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Oh, this is gonna be so sick if it works. Gonna be so sick if it works. True's back. Hello, hello, welcome back. He's really coding with Nano. No, it's not Nano. It's actually my own text editor. If you do bang Nano or bang editor, it's my text editor called Babby. Oh, you missed the glasses? Yeah, okay. We can show True our sexy specs. You ready for slightly older me? Do I look like I know what I'm doing now, True? Cherish says I have no idea what I'm doing. Why Babby instead of Nano? There you go. Well, it probably told you the answer. Very nerdy. They're prop glasses. They look pretty good though. I kind of like them. I wear glasses when I do on-site interviews to seem smarter. Yo. It probably works though, right? Oh shit. The unfortunate state of reality. That's crazy. But yeah, they're prop glasses. I'm not even joking. It seems to work. Yeah, it sounds like it would work. Man, would I be even more of a prick if I wore glasses? Shit. Ernyoke, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. They give me a headache. Oh no. Does not eat booty. Oh my god, it's been a very long time. Welcome back. How could I forget you? It's good to see you again. Need some weed as well, and you're ready to be the Elon Musk? No, no, no. They're not even blue light glasses. They're literally just clear frames. I was wrong. This is Anthonk. Business dog. Yeah, there you go. I'm a business dog. I'm doing my business. Yeah. Yep. That's me. Okay, so we have the definition of this. Now we need to define this. So oh, I forgot another variable for self. Yes. Okay, so this is generic on this. So this would be callable. Actually, we can just do def of self to R, I think. And then this is def call. This needs to be SPR. Should be the other order, but whatever. Self arg0s star args p not args star quargs p not quargs to r, and then the overloads. Seems too simple. What is M supposed to be? Shit, what was M before? Oh, I don't remember what M was. M is just another function. Oh, if instance is none, it just returns itself back. Yeah. So this is supposed to be callable without the first self argument. This should be callable e to r. This might just work. Of course, I would need to not have syntax error. Gram spec is not defined. Okay. TP is not defined. Oh. We need that. You look great. What's the suit about? I just came from a field role. What if I name concatenate? Line too long. Fuck me. Too many black lines. What if I name num? Oh, num was a generic. Right? Yeah, we can ignore all those. Yo! No way. Using arg0 to call. That is correct? This is so cool. Okay. Yeah, I think we can implement LRU cache with concatenate. Bai says manual formatting in this day and age. Well, I don't have any. This is a new repo, so it doesn't have any formatter set up. Is this the new VM with 2204? Still using the previous LTS? This is still the previous one. I didn't have time to move anything over, so no, it's fine. Don't worry about it. It does 90 booty. You didn't know, so yeah, it happens. The state is basically when you have to work on open source at 7, but you have a formal event at 8. Yeah, right. Yeah. Wait, does Twitch sign you up for Authy even if you don't register it yourself? I didn't know that. I have it because I want to do. Are we playing Job Interview Simulator? How you doing, Brainwashed? M is for Marcia. M was the number of columns since N is the number of rows in all examples. I see. This is actually his Minecraft suit. It gives him luck in finding diamonds. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by, Essex. Didn't know about concatenate. Cool. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. I talked about it recently. Shit. Oh, I know the video number. 386. Yes, check out that video. Video 386. Where I go over the uses. But this is just a small demo showing that it works. So now I'm gonna try and update TypeShed. Do this. Have a good continuation. Time for me to go to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Alex Bogan, always good to see you. Have a good one. I'll see you around. Arc Heck and Bias, thank you both for the follow. Welcome. You forgot it, the video name, but knew the number. The reason I knew the number is because we've been grepping for it earlier, and I was like, 386. That's the number of Pokemon in 3rd gen. But I didn't look at the title. Yeah. Decorator typing. Yeah. Anyway. That's why I knew the video number. To be honest, if I would have had to wear a suit at my grandma's funeral, it would be soaked in tears, an extremely difficult movement. Yeah. Yep. I was very close to my grandmother as well, so it's been tough. But we're getting through it. I've determined that yes, since Twitch, when you go through 2FA, goes through Twilio, it effectively signs you up for Authy in the background. Then does proxy requests out to Twilio for all 2FA requests. Since Twilio SMS is currently experiencing an outage, oh no. Oh, that sucks. Don't you love how Rube Goldberg machines are wired together to not exactly work? Okay, so now the goal is to comment all of this out and make this LRU cache. I guess I could probably just do my cache equals LRU cache or import from functools or LRU cache as my cache. My cache. So now mypy is like, I don't know what this is. Built-ins.int num -1. Oh, it should also reject some stuff. It should reject this first off. It does not. And it should reject. I don't think it rejects either of those. Yeah, so it's broken. Mo22J, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hey, this is the purpose of my company. I love this. I just wish they had a failsafe like normal people. Yeah. How close are you to 16K? No, we just got to 15K. So not close. Not close. It's raining so heavy here. I just wanted to be summer. Oh, we had a really good thunderstorm last night. But Pixar, why do you say 3? But there's clearly only 2. I'm a good fan of the rain. I like the rain. But you're in Portland, so you get a lot of rain. It's been raining for weeks. Yeah, it probably gets tiring after weeks and weeks. I want to go on a bike ride. Yeah, I feel you there. You get a exercise bike indoor. It's not the same. It's never the same. Okay, let us try and get this working. Link tools, LA cache demo. Python TypeShed. Let me make sure that no one else is working on this first before I jump into it, because I wouldn't want to waste my time if someone else is already doing the same thing. Literal, Redis. Unit test, tuple, context manager. This shit's so old, there's no way. Update wraps and update properties params. That seems related. Blah 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 blah. Wait, do I even need the generic thing that I did? Yes, because I need a separate self argument so that I can do this correctly. Yeah, okay, cool. Qualsy, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Rain, still better than the snow we had here last month. How does it even snow in April in Germany? It snowed in Michigan in April also. Thank you, Lucky Stars. You don't get the tornadoes with the rain. Yeah, the tornadoes have been pretty rough. Pretty rough this year from what I've seen. Type sheds. Oh, they have a pre-commit config. Oh, of course they do, because they have install GitHub Python. Check this shit. Python, the programming language, is using pre-commit CI, which is kind of fancy. What do they even have hooked up? Black and ISORT. Makes sense. I've revised my position. I'm into NFTs. Oh. Noses, feet, and teeths. Oh. I thought you were gonna say NFTs nuts. Plasmorbs, hello, hello. Good to see you again. I use counters for a take-home Python project with an org I'm interviewing with, and I love the implementation. Thanks for the helpful video. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Nice, nice. Teeths, yeah. Them good old teeths. Type shan standard lib. Func tools. LRU cache. Okay, so this shit's gonna be really complicated because not only is it a decorator, it is a overloaded decorator. Actually, it's not bad. It's literally just this code right here. So we can probably make this work. We can probably make this work. Teeths? Oh god, is this gonna be nightmare fuel? This better not be nightmare fuel. Okay, no, it's fine. It's just pseudo. Dim some teeths though. Okay, what do we need to do here? We need two versions of this. And we need a param spec. And OP param spec. Wait, why do these come from typing extensions? Okay, we will follow what they did. Param spec. Okay. P equals type var P. No, param spec. Param spec P. We needed 4 type variables? Let's use P, S, and R. And we'll use T for PTSD. Would've been funny. Hey, what's up, Shoddy? Hello, hello. How you doing? How you doing? Why have I put this here? No, that's fine. Okay, so we need final LRU cache wrapper 0. Return the value. This. And then we need call self to R. And then these things. This should really be self. I don't remember how that's supposed to work, but I think this will do. And then we needed self, param spec, and the return value. S, E, and R. So this will be, oh, we need concatenate also. So this needed wrapped, which will be callable concatenate S and P to return value. We'll have, oh, we don't need that. Yep, and then we'll have call, which will be self arg0, which will be S, and then star args, which will be e.args, quargs, which will be e.quargs, and returning R. And this will stay the same. Then we gotta do the overload. Oh. Okay, instead of TP, it will be underscore T. This will be LRU cache wrapper. SPR will be T, and that will return ER. Do I need to actually implement the overloads? No, just need to define them because it is a stub. A stub. Okay. Oh. Now we need to get complicated. We need 4 levels of overloads. Oh god. Shit. Okay, this is not terrible. Oh, but how do we represent this? Hey, what's up, Saif? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So we need to return an overloaded function. I don't know how to do that. I don't know that you can do that. Oh. Oh, wait, we can with a protocol. Thank you for the suit command, Joe Mega. Appreciate it. Good. Okay, so this will return a LRU cache decorator. And this, oh, then we have to define the other overloads here. Which we can do here as well. Ove Handel Marval, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. But welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing great. 4, 0. And then we want the concatenate version. Yeah. Why did that not? Yeah, why didn't that run? That was weird. That should have run. Oh, no. That was weird. Babby should have run the winters there. I don't know why it didn't. It also said that it did. Yeah, that time it did. Okay. I got a syntax error on line 77. Oh. Did the whole class function switcheroo. Oh, just reformatted it. Okay. Let's see if this works. Mypy custom typeshed t.py. Okay. Yo, let's go. Those are the ones that should have failed, and these are the right types. Yo, this shit fucking works. Oh my god. This is fucking insane. Let's go. Wait, how did this work? I did import protocol. Yeah. What? How did that work without protocol? If I name LRU cache wrapper. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is supposed to be _0 also. That's fine. We do this. And it'll work. Okay, we did a programming and we did indeed. Maybe the protocol was inside you all along. Oh god. Oh god. Why did it do this? Black bean them. Oh, this is so cool though. It's a little bit hacky. Should LRU cache decorator be that to match the others? No. This is the actual name of the type. Hey, what's up, Crazy Tech? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I wonder if I can get rid of this somehow. Let's see. No, because it has to get cat name with something. It's the problem. The problem is this type is fake. I don't know what the naming convention is for protocols. I guess I could grab some protocols. Find out from that. Probably not in the Python 2 stuff. Supports something. I'm really just using it so I can return an overload. What? I don't know. I'm gonna make a pull request and see what happens. Func tools, RU cache, Ramspec. Prove RU cache by using param_spec. Alright, fine, black. Whatever. You win. How do the tests run on this thing? Tests mypy. See what this does. Hell are you talking about, mate? I get it, I understand. Don't yawn, you'll make me yawn. Look, I don't know what to tell you. Type is not subscriptable. What do you mean? Tests mypy test. Okay, we'll do this instead. God damn it. I meant to do this. With our armor F. Nice, nice. General Concavity, welcome, welcome. Anthony Codes Ball Suave. Yeah, we are a little suave today. Just a titch. Alright, that seems to be working. Classic up arrow enter. Yeah, well I did control R, which should have maybe been alright, but we'll see what this does. It's late, good night. Well, thank you for stopping by, Sarcastic Dante. Always good to see you. Have a good one, good sir. Arigna, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Seems to be succeeding. I don't particularly know whether or not it is, but it seems to be. This is just stubs though, this isn't actual external stuff. I kind of want to try it against mypy and see what happens. Pretty sure mypy uses LRU cache. Exit status 1. But warb error. Oh. Next 3 type arguments, but 1 given. Yeah, I see. This needs the same overloading as we had before. Well, let's try it again. No Dale says, hello, what are you coding? We are working on a very specific part of the Python type checker dealing with dealing with LRU cache and trying to fix it so it works better. Duplicate module. What happens if I just... Oop! Oop! What the fuck? I just want mypy to check mypy, please. Just delete files until it stops complaining. Oh god. The fuck? Oh. MISC. Surely we don't need MISC. Or tests? mypy / bogus type. Okay. None of these seem to have complained. Might be a good sign. All right. I'm gonna make a draft PR of this before I make a real PR. Draft pull request, because I want to see just how much damage. I thought that said daemon file for a second. Oh, where? I mean, mypy does have a daemon. There is mypy. MyPyD's nuts. But I don't remember how to run it. Or is there not a mypy? Oh, there is a D. MyPy's daemon mode. Maybe you have to run it with python-m. MyPy server. D mypy. Right. It's D mypy, not mypyd. I miss my bunners because I want to mop rude you a lot. But you have a different bunners. You have Naro's bunners. But you only have the comfy one. Yeah, mypy primer is what I'm concerned about. Hey, let's fucking go. It's breaking CI. Are you saying that I need to make a bunners emote? Is that what you're saying, Morsha? What is mop root even? Mob emotes. Mob rude. It's the grumbly one. I see. You just need me to make you a grumbly emote, is what you're saying. Well, why are you red already? What mad? Who mad? Oh, we can use my new user script. Sentry user scripts. Ready for this shit? Man, I'm so glad I made this thing. Okay, now if we refresh this page. Did it not work? I need to authorize it? Did it not work? Why are you red? Why are these red but not here? What the fuck? Where are these from? Oh, I bet they're running on my fork. How do I disable? Can I just do all disable? No? So Pyrite is gonna fail? Yeah, here we go. Now we have failures. But look, they sort to the top now. I'm having to scroll through everything. Underscore T appears only once in the signature. 94. Sevio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Here's a descriptor. Oh, they only implement one part of it. Oh, that's annoying. They literally just use type here. But we don't care about the type, do we? Yeah, so we can do the same trick that the standard library uses. theory. And make sure there aren't any other obvious failures. Oh, look at this! Isn't it so nice? It sorts them all to the top. Yeah, it's just Pirate being mad. Okay, we will push that up. It only turns up once in the signature, then it's equivalent to type any. Use those type. Not exactly. Pyrite is more strict about generics than the other type checkers. So what Pyrite does is, if the type, if you have a generic signature that only uses a type variable once, then it's not actually generic. MyPy just allows it. T would get bound to a particular type, but the binding of that type doesn't matter, so Pyrite considers it an error. Like there's no reason to write a function that's this, where T is a type variable, unless that T is bound. Then maybe they have special cases for bound type variables, but this isn't actually helpful. And even in a bound type variable, this isn't helpful either, because you would just union or put whatever the bound is here. Why does shift right put a C? Why is my read line bugged? What is this garbage? What's going on? Control works. Whoa. Oh. That's cool. Anyway. Unless T is bound, in this case it wasn't. Yeah, that's kind of what I mean. If T is unbound, then T could be anything, so it's redundant. It's not, yeah, I mean, it is redundant, but it's also more that it just doesn't do anything. Terminal go burr. Yeah. If it's bound, then Pirate wants you to use the actual type rather than a generic. Yeah, yeah. Yep, precisely. Ooh, we got parse it. Doing us some SQL examples, yeah. Our code for episode 242, 424, where I implemented FizzBuzz in SQLite. I actually had to record this video twice because my microphone did the stupid robot noise thing. But yeah, good old fizzing of the buzz. I really expected more people to watch today's video. I'm a little disappointed. I thought this would get clicks. I would click on this, but significantly lower click-through rate than usual, and lower view count than usual. 5% click-through rate, which is decent, but lower than I usually have. Anyway, thank you, Parse It. Appreciate you typing those up, as always. Okay, fix that. Sundude says I watched 3x. You watched it 3 times, or did you watch it at 3x speed? I guess you can't 3x speed it. Both. How does FizzBuzz and SQLite compare to FizzBuzz Enterprise Edition? It's significantly simpler. This is SQLite FizzBuzz. That's it. Basically a table view function to get you a list of integers, and then a case statement to switch on them. It's later than I thought. Stupid time zones. Enjoy auto update graphs. Oh, we already looked at them. Do you want to see them again? Elvenrod. Here's graph. Graph look good. This is the slowest queue. 3 minutes, pretty good. Now the question, why in SQLite? Why not? It's mostly because I do AOC in SQLite, so it's kind of lines up with that. If I open the link directly from the GitHub link graph, I don't contribute to the click stats. Click stats. It should count. Oh wait, no, yeah, no. Click through rate is when it displays on GitHub or on YouTube. Yeah, your view will count, but the click through rate doesn't count. Why not? Good enough for me. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good today. This is actually like fairly, you know, this queue time is actually pretty reasonable. Also, this is probably one user experiencing this rather than every user, so it's not actually the metric I want to track, but I don't have the means to track what I want to track properly. These are the runs that I care about. Did I break a bunch of people's code with this? I suspect not, but I want to know. I should start clicking on new videos when I see them on the YouTube homepage. Yeah, that's the best way to make YouTube happy. That's the best way to get that algorithm churning. If we want to game the system, not that it super matters, but I don't know. I like number go bigger. What do I care about right now? We already validated this one locally, so we know this one's gonna work. They're using some bastardized version of Flake8. But mypy's happy. Oh, I think this has some promise. But let's see, we're at the 3-hour mark, so it's probably oh no. I can be go. How you doing? I was gonna say I'm about to wrap up, which would be terrible timing for you. But how's your Tuesday going? It's Tuesday there, right? Yeah. So you can wrap up. Well, I wanted to say hi nonetheless. I guess I can show you what we did. We mostly did review and graphs for the first part. Autoupdate graph, pretty good. Queue time was 3 minutes back, was the worst. But I'm re-implementing LRU cache as this super overload monstrosity thing. But it fixes a whole bunch of edge cases. Just woke up, but I got the day off. Nice! That's pretty good. That's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm gonna wrap up here. Let me do my little spiel, and then we will send you off to another channel. Always good to see you, Kimbiko. Sorry that you didn't get to view more of the stream today, but yeah, this stream doesn't work out nicely for your time zone. Yes, but anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/anthonywritescode. I try and upload 3 educational videos a week, so check those out. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, and YouTube has changed the font here. And they made something glitchy here. I don't know what's going on there. I upload my stream VODs to my second channel. You can subscribe to either of those if that interests you. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Oh, we have another announcement. I'm going to be doing a special stream this Saturday evening with Citrusine. We are going to be doing another collaboration stream where we play It Takes Two, and that will start at 6 p.m. Pacific. That'll be 9 p.m. my time, and you can figure out what that is in your time zone. But stop by for that. It should be good. I'm really excited for it. Should be a lot of fun. And if you missed the last one, you can also see what it was like and figure out whether you want to go. But yeah, it should be good. But yeah, I will announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. So follow there if you want to get notified there. Basically, I say what I'm going to do. We didn't actually do this, but maybe we'll do that on the next stream. I was going to say on Saturday, but I might stream before then. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little place to ask programming questions or other social stuff as well. You know, a little thumbnail screenshot of you in the suit working on this PR with the pray emoji. Please? that would be pretty funny. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.